Hey, what's going on? Michelangelo here. Just wanted to introduce this new product to you. It's called the V.A.W, the Vehicle Attached Wallet. It does it all. It was made to go in your car just for you because safety matters. So it's made basically to carry your CCW permit, ID, insurance card, credit cards, and much, much more. So go to our website, vehicleattachedwallet.com, so you can see more details. But before you do that, let me tell you the story of the V.A.W actually came about. While laying in bed one night, a news report came on about a man who had got pulled over by the police. He was asked for his driver's license and his insurance card. He said, "Well, yes, sir, officer, but I must tell you that I do have my CCW permit and I am armed." And the officer says, "Oh, no problem. Just whatever you do, don't reach for it." So he says, "Okay." He said, "But I was still going to need your information, sir." So he said, "Okay, officer." And as he started to reach in his back pocket on his right-hand side, apparently the officer thought he was reaching for his weapon. And he shot him 7 times and killed him for reaching for his wallet to provide this vital information that the officer asked for. I told my wife if he had just kept his hands in plain view, he probably would still be alive today. I said, we're going to invent something where citizens can feel safe and provide this important information to law enforcement while in their vehicles. So we started working on something where you can keep your hands on the steering wheel at 10 and 2 in plain view and still have access to your driver's license, ID, insurance cards, etc. instead of reaching in your back pocket or purse, which is our natural instinct. So we would like to help it become a valuable part of a solution. That's what inspired us to make the V.A.W, Vehicle Attached Wallet. Once again, the V.A.W Company LLC. Go to our website for more details at vehicleattachedwallet.com because safety matters and it might just save your life or someone in your family that you love. The V.A.W, vehicleattachedwallet.com. See you soon.